Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice wine set, and you can use this as a gift or keep it for yourself, but I'm telling you, your guests when they come over are going to be asking, where did you get that set? This actually comes with everything you need. It's completely electronic, and each one of these charges up with the provided USB cable. And what this is a kit that allows you to open your wine, pour your wine. This part here actually comes with a built-in, loving the fact that it clicks in place. You never can find one of these when you need it. You can actually cut the foil top off of your wine set, which is really nice to have. And then you have your electric wine whiz opener. So this is just simply going to place on the top. Just going to push this button and you can see it actually as it goes through there. Look at that. I mean, we've all been there struggling with being able to pull these out of there. That pulled it out nicely, and when you're done, you can push the reverse button and it's just going to spit that back out, which is fantastic that it does that. That way you can save those. A lot of people save these, or you can use it to put back in there when you're done. But why would you want to? When they provide you with this, which you can push down in here and actually reseal it with this, and by pumping this up and down creates a vacuum seal, and you can actually seal any size wine bottle because it's a tapered edition like that, to reseal it with this little part they provide there. That allows you to go ahead and save the cork somewhere else. Now, lifting up wine and pouring it, what a pesky process. You can spill that all over the place. But this piece here, really cool. Look at this. Put this down in here, lock it in place, and now with the push of a button, that not only pours your wine for you and your guests, no drip, no slip, no fuss, no muss, but also aerates your wine. Now that's really cool. And simply fill it up however much you want, turn it off, aerates it, no drip. Really like that feature. That way if you got this sitting out on a table, your friends can come up. They're going to wonder where you got this thing because, I mean, this is a really sleek design. It's an excellent gift set that you could give again or keep it for yourself. Thank you guys again for sending it.